Right, new for 2024. Yeah, 2024, so we are. The Ancona. One of the two new Pegasus Grandes. There's one just over there, GT75. That's the Amalfi, which I'll have a look at the moment. I've got coffee, so I'll put it down before going in, because I'm sensible. So very much a family orientated van, this one. I was having a discussion on the Talk Wrench community. If you're not a member, please have a look, about how vloggers go about caravan reviews, opening cupboards, telling you where's the fridge is the fridge. But I don't know what else to do with reviews, really. I mean, this is a new caravan, so for Bailey. Now, I like this layout. I do like the layout. The finish is very much as you'd expect from Bailey. Smaller fridge. I say smaller fridge. It's normally that twin axle where you get a bigger one. 2 bunk beds. Toilet and shower. Something else we were discussing was how quickly vloggers move the cameras, and it's very difficult because caravans aren't big and the camera's fairly small, I guess, or maybe wide angle. But oh, someone's singing happy birthday. Microwave, the old plateless design, which I like. 650 watt. Wardrobe with the table in. Quite a bit of storage actually. So we've got the cupboards up there, then this. See, what I don't like about the Bailey, and I don't know why they do it, is this. Now they're going to prove me wrong. This doesn't run flat. In the Swifts it kind of like goes flat there, and but there you have it. Just different ways of doing things, right? I like little shelves like this. I like put keys and things on. Mandy of course hates them because I just dump things everywhere. Do you do that? Surely I'm not alone. Let's call this a media centre. I think you have a Sonos speaker there, wireless charging. There you go, Ancona. Get my coffee again. So this single axle, storage there. Obviously no front locker, but then I think people are just about getting used to it now. Old gits like me anyway. Thing about the NEC, it's a noisy place. Let's have a quick look at the Amalfi. So this is a twin axle. Pretty decent MTPLM, 1750. I'll try and pan slowly. Personally, I mean, we've had a Bailey and I'm not over keen on this. The problem is there's a strap there, and that after about 2 months that broke. But it does give you extra worktop. It's just whizzed straight through to the bedroom. So good family setup. This bunk beds here, curtains, lights for children, storage, window each. So they've got exactly the same setup really. And then I think here you've got a curtain that comes round for a bit of privacy at night. Although what you do with kids in the van, I don't know, but reasonable size storage. Nice that the curtain catches on that. shelf for your tea, iPhone. That looks like a fairly small bed to me, but the way these taper off. See if it's me, but like, I can't shut this wardrobe because the duvet's in the way. Little practicalities like that, like curtain in the way of that. You know, it's little niggles I know, but nice full length mirror there. Obviously a lavatory. That's nice, nice little room actually. Storage there. Nice sink. Storage underneath. Blown air heating, which is fine. Control panel, seals for your keys, fridge, Thetford fridge. Okay, not a dual opening one, but to be honest, they're substance over style. We find that with ours, you always open it the same way, so there's no point in having it. It's just a gimmick. The coffee's still there. Yep. Storage at the back here goes all the way through, I believe, on these ones, which is good. Can I open it with one hand, do you reckon? I'm not entirely sure. Can on mine. No. Yeah, actually it doesn't go all the way through. It's under the bed. Sorry, because it's probably dark, you can't see it. Not the best demonstration, but at least I proved I was wrong. Something I did want to mention about the Ancona, and this will bother nobody apart from me. The toilet is on the awning side. Does that bother anybody else? Mind you, if you haven't got a full awning, it should be outside, I suppose. If you just get it ending by the door, it won't bother because it'll be on the outside. There you go, Pegasus Grande GT75 Amalfi and Ancona. I mean, when are caravan manufacturers going to do what car manufacturers do and just shorten the name, like call it the 307 or something? Remember years ago I had a Ford Sierra 4x4 2.8i estate gear. Those were the words, probably not in that order, but I mean, it's getting ridiculous because when you ring up for insurance, you're on the phone 25 minutes and saying the name of the caravan. Just call it a number, or call it Alfie or something, or Freddy, or I don't know. Just take a leaf out of our Kia's book. Call it a Buddy. So that's it. I wanted to do the two new GT75s which are there. Hopefully the music doesn't affect the copyright and you'll be able to see it. But there you go. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe as always, and see you in the next one.